Hello world, helping hand here. I'm not really back, but I just wanted to show you a short review about this guitar. It's a Fender Modern Player Jazzmaster, and on YouTube there are not many videos about this. So I thought I have 1 hour and yeah, let's see what we can do in this time. What can I tell you about this guitar? It's made, the whole Modern Player series was made in China. There's a Starcaster, Telecaster, and so on. And 2 Jazzmasters. This one, the black one, with a white palloy pickguard, maple neck, and also in the other model, looks absolutely stunning, in a red finish, but transparent, so you can see the wood, and it has a rosewood fingerboard. Both guitars are made of, the bodies are made of mahogany. This is a really heavy guitar. I think this was 3.7 or 8 kilogram. I really don't know what this means in pound, but you can Google and check this. Okay, what can I tell you about this guitar? It's a very bright sounding guitar, to my surprise. You could say, okay, Jazzmasters are always bright sounding. Yes, I would say this also, but when you got Jazzmaster pickups, and these are humbucker pickups. As you can see, I changed the neck pickup. This is a Demasio DP192, something like this. Because I always play all my guitars with a neck pickup. I really don't like the sound of a bridge pickup. Sometimes in between, but not bridge alone. And when we come to humbuckers, when we come to pickups, it's all personal taste. For me, the original pickups, yeah, missed bass, yeah, not enough bass response. Yeah. So I changed this. It's a little bit better, but in the end, I paid for this Demasio, I think, 75 used. All prices are up, and it's a difference, but not very much, not a big difference between the original pickup and this one. Sorry. The maple neck is high gloss finished on the fretboard. This is really high glossed, and I sand it down the side to better satin feeling. Now it's absolutely perfect to me. The tuners, vintage style tuners, absolutely stable, wonderful. All in all, the guitar is high quality, really high quality. You got the USA Jazzmaster trem, but with a, I really don't know, not set in trem arm, but with a, you know. I'm not a big fan of this. I really prefer the set-in trem arms. It's a kind of tune-o-matic bridge here. I have absolutely no problems with it. Stays in tune. When I use the vibrato trem, I put Dadari 11 to 49 strings on it. That's for me absolutely perfect. Yeah, so enough talking. Let's listen to some sounds. The first neck pickup. So this is not many reverb. Okay. this middle position. And the bridge. Yeah, bright sounding. Maybe some shoegazy things, neck position. Yes. Also, German also. In the end, to sum it up, I can highly recommend this guitar. You can buy this used for around 400, 500, 600. They're quite rare on the market, I think. I try to sorry. I tried to sell this guitar because I didn't like the neck pickup and I needed money. And my highest bid was 420 euro. And I deleted everything and I keep this. I keep this guitar. Now with a new pickup, it's a lot better to me. And you know, I got a lot of Jazzmasters in the past or guitars in the past. So what can I tell you about this guitar and also especially about Fender guitars? I think this model, all the old models I think are better than the new models. I had the new Squier Mascis Jazzmaster. I just wanted to test it and absolutely poor quality. I had the Fender player series, the Jazzmaster, Mexico. Just looked at it and sent it back. And I think this one is between a US and Mexico. This is really, really good quality. The neck, the tuners, the tram unit, the pickups. The electronics also not so good. They're just small size pots inside. Mahogany body. What do you pay for mahogany in this time? So when you can pick up one of these, I can highly recommend this. And yeah, and now I do 2 videos today. Boy, 11 minutes. Really speed review with this one. Yes, the Squier Deluxe. And maybe a short comparison video when I got really less time. Okay, enough talking. Buy this one. See you.